BIOFIRE SPOTFIRE Industry Instrument Setup. Ensure all required components have been unpacked. Please note that all industry systems will include antennas, but they will not be installed. Industry systems do not have Wi-Fi capabilities enabled. Place the control station onto a work area. Access the back of the control station and ensure the power switch is in the off position. Plug in the power cable. Stack the module on top of the control station, fitting the guide pins into the wells. Repeat this process for any additional modules. Uncap the cover on the module connector plug and insert into the indicated positions. Repeat steps for additional modules. Switch the control station unit to on to power up the system. The SPOTFIRE industry instrument setup is now complete.